Check out this groundbreaking development by Ukrainian engineers. Terminal Autonomy, a Ukrainian company, has successfully launched the production of AQ-400 Scythe kamikaze drones with an impressive flight range of 750 kilometers and a warhead weighing up to 70 kilograms. What sets the AQ-400 Scythe apart is Terminal Autonomy's innovative approach to creating an affordable, mass-produced weapon designed to be deployed in large quantities by the armed forces. The company boasts a production capacity of 500 drones per month, with the latest batch already in the hands of the Ukrainian Defense Forces. The AQ-400 Scythe drone is engineered for strategic precision, offering a declared flight range of up to 750 kilometers, making it a formidable tool for striking strategic targets within the territory of Russian occupiers. The drone has a takeoff weight of 100 kilograms, with 32 kilograms dedicated to the warhead, and the option to increase the warhead weight to 70 kilograms by sacrificing some flight range. Its wingspan measures 2.3 meters, cruising at a speed of 144 kilometers per hour, and boasting a flight duration of 6.5 hours. Launch options include catapult launch or runway takeoff. But that's not all. Terminal Autonomy is pushing the boundaries further by developing a compact cruise missile with a range of 1,000 kilometers and an impressive speed of 350 kilometers per hour. Stay tuned for more updates on these game-changing technologies.